everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we have gotten another awesome video request and a question for declaring a variable in a for loop. It's an in-depth, deep dive into the string increment, that video episode 27. So let's just get into it. So the question is our new string, we were going to increment a string, and for I in S, that was it. So here was S, it was, I think it was something like that, and then we had vowels. I think it was that. So A, E, I, O, U. There we go. Then we had new S, and it was an empty string. And the question is, what it was, if I not in vowels, then take new string. Let's add some vowels. I, O, there we go. Increment I to it. So there we go. And let's go ahead and run this. And should have printed. There we go. Print new S. So there we go. Let's rerun this. So okay. So let's break this down a little bit. A for loop says do something over and over and over again. So if I were to declare, if I were to move this, get rid of that, and put this right inside our loop, it's just going to do that over and over and over again. So if we look, the last character here is G. So now if I print this each time through, this is going to go through, declare a new variable, then follow these instructions. If it meets this requirement, do this. So now let's do this. Boom. This is why, because it will only follow the instructions here. So let's just think of this step by step by step. So the first time through, we create a new variable, and it's an empty string for I. Here it is. So nothing happens. How about we move this so we can see it? Move this. This is why I love programming. You move something simple around and you put it inside the loop, it's going to do it every single time. So now you can see through every iteration what happens. So the first time through isn't met, empty string stays the same, prints it out. Boom. Then the next time meets, nope, nothing, there and there. So if we look right here, SLFG, SLFG. So this is how loops work. This is an example of why you would declare your variable outside of your loop. And then here's an example of a bad placement of our print. So we only want this printed because, again, this follows those steps. This is why I love programming. I especially love teaching this to very young people, elementary school ages, because they tell me it came out wrong. Nope. Python has rules too. This came out exactly what it was supposed to. We typed wrong. We had our placement. We had our control wrong. And this, I remember when I first really started learning Python, and I learned about the indentation and the placement of it. And I got perfect examples are the number pyramid, diamond shape, and triangle. Perfect examples of placements of our print statements with for loop and other for loops. Excuse me. So I hope this answers the question. And when we got more advanced in Pygame, we started using these where we had to have conditional and starting point. This is the dirty secret in programming. You have to have a starting point. You have to have a starting point, and then you can do something to it. You cannot create anything. It has to have a start and then goes from there. So there we go. Hope that answers your question. Awesome question. Great question. I have the best subscribers out there. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Please drop any comments, questions, or any other awesome questions like this below, and I'll get right to them. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.